From India. Italy, Norway, Romania, Turkey, Argentina, France, Malaysia, Australia, Ecuador, Spain, Mongolia, United States of America, Mexico, Ireland, Canada, Poland, Sweden, United Kingdom, Switzerland, Nepal, and Peru. A warm welcome to all the athletes. Argentina, France, Malaysia, Australia, Ecuador, Spain, Mongolia, United States of America, Mexico, Ireland, Canada, Poland, Sweden, United Kingdom, Switzerland, Nepal, and Peru. Namaskar. Good evening, everyone. I'm overly overwhelmed. I just don't have words. I was in my tears because from so much hard work, not only that, so much bringing this yoga asana competition to a really world-class platform. It was not possible if I didn't have recently Guruji's blessing and our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Modi's support. Today, because of both of them making this yoga in worldwide popular after making International Yoga Day on June 21st. I just wanted everybody to understand what yoga asana is going on 5 decades. But I was a child when I started this competition, and I just wanted you to know it was good, we enjoyed it, we did know better. because we couldn't go to any world standard. So when I felt that this can be done, that we all can be participating one day, and that's going to be Olympic Games, when all the athletes comes from other sports, I used to go and watch with my family. But why not Yogasana? So today, many countries, especially in India recently, has already approved national yoga sports as a compulsory to the school, Khelo India, and national games. And that's a big step. That's a huge step. And I wanted you to know that this has a lot to do with all the yogi practitioners, their support, blessings, wishes, and benefit of yoga. Today, yoga rocks. Yoga rocks because we practice, we know the benefit. It's not about physical benefit only, it's a mental only way, emotional health, only way to challenge and only way to make ourselves better in perfection. Even all the athletes needs yoga. So yoga competition is a healthy competition, teaches us to be ethical and to be non-jealous, which is a very, very much in Yoga Sutras teaches us. So it could be a posture, but we are learning more as a human being to be a better person and together to be a better nations all together. So Yoga, International Yoga Sports Federation brings you unity through the global world, peace and happiness to you. I am so proud to all my mates who supported all lifelong, like it's a non-profit. They just work because they love it. So today you can see we have 28 countries and 150 participants. When I reached 6 continents, I knew I need to bring this India, where India yoga was born. This is the birthplace of India, where yoga's birthplace, and it's our heritage. Today is the time. Let's all rise, and Guruji's blessings, and on our Honorable Prime Minister's blessings, and all of you, all the dignitaries. I really, really wish you all, please come tomorrow, next 2 days, watch our event, support your country, and please share yoga sports to make it 2028 Olympic sports. This is our Guruji and my dream. May I introduce my board members here? Ken Sebastian, would you come, please? This is he's the tallest, so he can go behind me. And then Teresa, 2 of you, you are mine. Uma, you have to come give your your photo to somebody else. Yeah. Camera, and who else is here? The judges, respected judges, if you can come. All the federations, would you please stand up? All the federations, please, please, please come here. I like to, and then I ask Guruji if you come, please with us. Yes. It's happened in SVSA, which is called the hospitality in SVSA is not compared to anywhere else. It's amazing. It's one big family we are here. That's what it's called. Everyone, this is our Guruji. This is his dream. Could you please stand up, everyone, and please honor him with his dream today, and my dream is happening. Thank you. Here.